Merry Christmas! Magandang araw, amazing people! So, today's vlog, mamimigay tayo ng Christmas gift para sa mga bata. So, meron tayo ditong gatas. Ayan. Pampalakas. Meron din tayo ditong peanut butter. Bakit peanut butter? Kasi yung peanut butter is nakakatulong siya upang mag-improve yung weight ng mga malnourished na bata. At ganoon din, nakakatulong din siya para sa brain. Okay, so, para sa ating Christmas gift, meron tayo ditong toothbrush. Ayan, para sa mga bata. Toothbrush. And then, ating mga laruan. So, trucks para sa mga boys at Barbies para sa mga girls. Meron din tayo dito mga biskwit, fudgy bar, and top sarap, gooey donut. Yan, favorite yan ng mga bata. At ang ating mga baso para sa syempre, at huwag natin kakalimutan ng ating mga gift wrapper.
We also have MNP, or the micronutrient powder supplement. It is packed with lots of nutrients that are essential in growth of children, especially those who's experiencing malnutrition. And we have stuffed toys from Sister Babette Victor. Thank you, Sister Babette! Disclaimer lang po, ang lahat po ng supplements at regalong ito ay mula sa Bountiful Children's Foundation. The Bountiful Children's Foundation is a non-profit organization bringing life-altering nutritional supplements to children throughout the world. Their mission is to nurture the potential of infants and toddlers to lead healthy, productive, and self-reliant lives by eliminating undernutrition. They give monthly supplements sa kanilang mga recipients from 6 months to 5 years old. That includes cerelac for babies, milk, peanut butter, and MNP. They also share lessons about proper nutrition that helps in the development of these children. They also give Christmas gifts. For those who wants to donate, please visit Bountiful Children's Foundation official website at bountifulchildren.org. I will put the links on description box.
Samahan niyo akong i-prepare ang ating mga Christmas gift para sa mga bata. Let's go! ngayon, pupunta na po kami, mamimigay na po kami ng mga supplements at regalo sa mga bata. So, samahan nyo kami. Siyempre, huwag nating kalimutan yung alcohol at face mask dahil iwas COVID-19. Ayan, so let's go. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Smile! Okay lang.
I want to express my gratitude to all the donors of Bountiful Children's Foundation for their continued love and support to us.